Do you want to know what it feels like when the universe hands you a miracle you never asked for, but secretly hoped for your entire life? Let me show you. I'm Elvira Bary, a writer born in the Soviet Union, and today something unbelievable happened. A box arrived at my door. A simple black box, but inside it is something I once thought I would never see in my lifetime. A silver plaque that says, "This channel, our channel, has reached 100,000 subscribers." And before I open it, I want to say something important. I didn't earn this alone. I couldn't have done it alone. This plaque belongs to every single one of you who chose to listen, to think, to feel, to argue, to comment, to support, to stay. This miracle is ours.
All right, let's begin. Oh, no, another thing is here. I'm not that good as a box opener. Here's what's inside. Here's what's inside. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? No. Here's what's inside. A letter. Okay. Oh my goodness. See? Here it is. Presented to Elvira Bary for passing 100,000 subscribers. See? This is so cool. It's really cool, guys. This is not just a creator milestone. This is proof that the world really does want to understand Russia. Not the propaganda version, not the caricature, but the real, living, complicated story. And somehow, all of you decided that my voice was worth listening to. The silver shines under the light, but what I see reflected here is you. Everyone who watched, everyone who shared, everyone who left thoughtful comments, and especially the people who kept this channel alive. To my think tank members, you are the backbone of this channel. You made it possible for me to work, to research, to write, without fear that I'd have to stop. To everyone who bought me coffee or sent support through PayPal or pressed super thanks, almost 500 of you. You carried me through the long nights when I doubt myself. From the bottom of my heart,